Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 12 times x minus 5 times x minus x equals 0. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give 5 times x. The variable coefficient is 5. Divide both sides by 5 to leave the variable alone. Quick check, substitute 0 for x. Both sides equal 0, so the equation balances. So, x equals 0.